What happened?
He got hit with a line drive right in the chest and passed out.
I got it, thank you.
Are you his father?
No, soy su tío. Tío.
Uncle, do you know if he has any medical problems, problemas?
Señor, ¿usted sabe si el niño tiene algunas enfermedades o problemas médicos?
Nada que yo sepa.
Yeah, none that he knows.
Okay, he's in VFib. Charging? Okay, clear?
Clear.
Clear. Okay, Mike, continue CPR. Okay, that's good enough. Oh. We got a pulse.